All right, guys, so this is another day for us to talk about how you can make money online. Okay, so the name is Still Say Easy. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do that now. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on the notification, and drop your comments in the section. Share this video to your colleague affiliate marketers, share to your friends as well. Now let me tell you this: everyone wants to make money online. Everyone wants to find ways to make their first 10,000 cedis online. Now, I'm about to tell you the truth about making your first 10,000 cedis online. I made my first 10,000 cedis in just 1 week. I made 14,700 in a week before. I made 14,500 in a week before. You understand? I'm currently the top affiliate marketer here in Ghana, and I keep on saying it. Consistency and patience is the key. It's not like I just wake up and start seeing results, start making that money. I stay consistent. I practice every day. Like I am patient. I know that the results will one day come into existence. You understand? Now we are going to be talking about patience and consistency. These are just two things. Okay. Patience doesn't mean you should stop what you are doing or relax on what you are doing. Patience means whilst you stay consistent, whilst every day you show up, whilst every day you practice, finding ways on how you can make your first 10,000 cedis online. If you are into affiliate marketing, you want to make your first 10,000 cedis online, that means you should find ways, learn or master the art of sales, master the art of generating leads, getting people to sell your products to them. If you are selling pure water, if you want to sell 10 sachets of water in a day, you need to go to where almost all the time traffic is being choked. Are you getting it? You need to go to where there are lots of people so that you can sell your water very fast. If you are selling water at a cold weather, it's going to be difficult for you to make sales rather than selling water at a hot weather where people normally find tasty. Every small time they find it tasty. Every small time there is traffic choke, you see people selling water in their midst. You understand? So that's the consistency and showing up every day and knowing what to sell at the right time. If you're an affiliate marketer, you get the chance to pick any product you want to sell. My next video is going to be on the kind of product or the product selection that sells the most. You know, there are a lot of products you can sell, but there are particular products that sells the most. Imagine someone selling a boxer at a senior high school. These people are not going to buy very fast. They need it, but they won't buy it. Than selling ice cream, they'll patronize the ice cream faster than the boxer. You see, that's why always food sellers are always cashing out, because with food, day in, day out, people need food. When it comes to making money too, day in, day out, people want ways to make money. And as an affiliate marketer, these are the things you deliver. Okay, now let's talk about the patience and the consistency. When you talk about patience, that means you shouldn't rush. You shouldn't rush in what you are. Just get patient. If I'm doing affiliate marketing, I need to stay patient in the affiliate marketing. Work on myself. I need to be like, okay, so this is actually working for some people. Definitely, it's actually going to work for me. So I need to stay patient. Work hard. Stay consistency. I always say this. Stay consistency. Consistency is one of the main reasons why your business will hold. You understand? Always the time you need to stay consistency. Act fast. Always the time, just start acting fast to start taking risks. You understand? That's you staying consistent every day. You stay consistent every day. You stay consistent. Then number 2 is share your first big results. And when you share your first big results, let's say for instance you started affiliate marketing like this. You started affiliate marketing and you made I was recording this video when someone called me. He made his first sale. Just last week he started, made his first $20 like this from affiliate marketing. Now, let me tell you this. The reason why I'm bringing this up is the person started last week, and I always say this. The person just stay consistent. After watching my videos on affiliate marketing, he decided to get started. He called me, reached out to me. I now signed him up with the company, give him my videos on how to promote this affiliate marketing business. He just started, and then that's all. So this one that I made his first $20 like this. By next week, I made $50, $100 in 1 week. That's how this affiliate marketing business works. When you share your first $10, your first $1, your first $100, people be like, wow, it's actually true that you are cashing us from the business. It's actually true you are cashing us from YouTube, from affiliate marketing, from TikTok. they'll now get into contact with you. They'll be like, okay, now Easy, I want you to show me. I want to learn it. Like, I'm ready to get started. You understand? The result is the only thing that will push people to get into contact with you, to start what you are doing. You understand? Result is the only thing that will boost your sales. So when you make your first sale, don't hide it. Be like, I don't want people, post it on your status. Start posting it on Facebook. Start posting it on X for people to know what it takes to make money online. That's the easiest way. And that's what you are doing. You understand? That's the only way that can boost your sales. Now, explain what affiliate marketing reward is all about. If you are doing affiliate marketing, you talk about what affiliate marketing is. When they start seeing results, they come into contact with you. You'll be like, okay, man, boss, sir, I want you to talk about what you are doing. I want to learn more about what you are doing. And when they get into contact with you to learn about all these things, that's where your sales also boost. Your income also boosts. You start from $20, $100, $1,000 in 1 week. No, it's not going to be $1,000 in a month again. It's going to be $1,000 in 1 week. That's the secret about affiliate marketing. Motivate them. The day you stop giving excuses, that's the day you start making money. The day you stop giving excuses like, okay, so from today onwards, I'll start being patient. I'll start being consistency. I'll start being practicing. I'll stick to one thing. If I'm into affiliate marketing, I'll stick to affiliate marketing. If I'm into graphic design, I'll just stick to affiliate marketing. Be patient, be consistent, practicing every day. And that's the only means you can start getting results. That's the only means you can start making money. You understand? So if you are ready to make this shift, if you are ready to start making money online, if you are ready to start affiliate marketing, if you want to be part of my students, just click on the link in the description, text me on Telegram, and then I'll have a video I've recorded about affiliate marketing. If you can check it on my YouTube page, how to make money online through affiliate marketing. You just watch it. My mobile phone number, my number is there. You can call me to make inquiries about it. And if you are ready to also start the affiliate marketing journey, if you're also ready to start making money from affiliate marketing, I'm ready to hold your hands, add you to my mentorship group where my students are making $600 in 1 week. I have students that have started affiliate marketing, and in just 7 days they make their first. One student make $435. Yes, $435 in just 1 week from affiliate marketing. Yes, that you can see the screenshot on the screen. He's one of my students who made his first in the first 7 days. So first 7 days of starting, $435. Just convert it over 3,000 cedis. Yes, almost 4,000 cedis from this affiliate marketing business. Someone can also start today and not seeing results, but in the next 1 month, next 2 weeks, next 3 weeks, based on how serious you've taken the business. Okay, so this is the truth about making your first 10,000 cedis. Patience, consistency, just stay motivated, post your results. If you make your first $1, $10, $20, post on your social media, start generating leads, start getting into contact with people. The people are those that will patronize you. They are those that will buy from you. These are things you need to be learning. So if you're an affiliate marketer, you haven't subscribed to my YouTube, or you are a digital marketer, digital creator, you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, just subscribe now. Tap on the notify me. Any day, anytime I'll drop a video, you can access it and then watch it. My next content is going to be on why most people fail in affiliate marketing. Why most people fail in affiliate marketing, and how you can get rid of it and start making money with just your smartphone. I always say this: your smartphone is worth of changing your life. Okay, this is your smartphone, this is your laptop, is worth of changing your life. Now you can see we are in the new era, and people are just sitting at the comfort of their home, cashing out every day, every time, every week, and that's the only thing that can change your life. I always say this: if you want to make quick money, if you want to start making money every week, just come to the internet. The internet is the only way you can start seeing quick results, start making good money every single week. You understand? And I'm here to take you through the process, guide you, mentor you, only if you want to start affiliate marketing today and start cashing out like me and my students. Subscribe, hit on the subscribe, tap on the notify me, share this video to your friends, and always the time you are going to be getting content like this on how you can make money online, how you can start cashing out. I wish you the best of luck. Bye bye. I'm out.